Bring it on. Snow!
Okay, it's still a bit windy out here. Oh look, my little patch of pavement is gone, but the drift out front is... Holy... Oh man. Okay, it's worse. It's a lot worse. Whew. Well, the plows still haven't come down our street. Gee. The house is still there. Windy out here. Well, I can say it's pretty much safe to be standing in the middle of this road that hasn't been plowed. Looks like one vehicle tried to get through 6:30 in the morning. Reporting live from Milwaukee, Mr. Driver Man here, where our house is pretty much buried. And we'll have to start shoveling soon before it just disappears. It's like little needles sticking in me eye. Ugh. Oh look, here's somebody walking on the street with some gas cans. Let's go talk to him. The lone survivor. How you doing?
Oh.
Guess maybe you should have got some gas yesterday, huh?
Well, the only thing is the goddamn, it's so deep, I got a 6-foot snowdrift down my driveway.
I haven't even woken up anybody in the house yet, but that's what we gotta do.
Oh, you're not as bad.
No, maybe not. That doesn't sound good. So
No.
you got a 6-foot drift?
Yeah, it's in my driveway, between the driveways. The neighbor, Debbie here, has got one almost up to her windows.
Jeez. Well, good luck with that. I don't even know if I'm going to be using the snowblower. It's going to be all shoveled.
Well, most of it is, but, you know, I'm getting too old to shovel.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get my kids out of bed.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, that was one of my neighbors there. 6-foot drifts I got to deal with, but I'm getting pretty close. I'm looking about 3 feet right here, 3.5, 4.